Our client can add recharge his account from portal in VOS3000. Go to Account Management, click on Filter. Select account where you want to add balance. Go to Phone Card and click on Add button. Now add serial number, management ID card number, password and money amount. Click on Apply and click OK. Now, go back to Account Management and click on Number of Gateways. Copy client password and go VOS3000 web portal. Log in to CDR portal as shown in display. Client need gateway ID and password to log in his CDR portal for recharge his account. Go to Self-Service and click on Account Recharge. Then go back to VOS3000. Go to Phone Card and then copy card number and password. Then go back to CDR portal and then paste card number and password, then click on Recharge. Now click OK. Now go back to VOS3000 and then go to Account Management and then click Filter. Your account balance is added successfully.